Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a creamy Chipotle Chicken Taco. First thing we got to do is make our creamy Chipotle sauce. So as you can see here in a little food processor, I've added a half a cup of Greek yogurt, a quarter cup of mayonnaise. All right, you want to add at least one Chipotle pepper. I like things a little spicier, so I'm going to add a second Chipotle pepper. Plus, I'm going to add a teaspoon to about a teaspoon and a half of the adobo sauce that comes with the Chipotle peppers. And then we want about a teaspoon of lime juice. And before anyone says it, yes, I'd normally use fresh, but every lime in the grocery store looked like dog shit, so I got the bottled stuff. Sometimes you got to do that in Minnesota in the winter. Then we want to add about one garlic clove that's been minced. And then we want a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. And then we want about a teaspoon of honey. And after adding our salt and pepper, pop on the top, pop on the motor. If I can remember how to work this. And then just blend. You want to do this for about a minute and a half. And this is what you should be looking for in the end. So put this in a container and leave it in the fridge for at least an hour. Let's move on to our tacos. Okie dokie, as you can see here, I got about 3 pounds of cooked chicken, to which I'm adding some taco seasoning. You can make it yourself or buy your favorite packet of taco seasoning. And then we're going to add about 2 1/4 cups of water. I ended up adding probably about 3 cups of water when this was all said and done. Then you just want to stir this around and give this a little bit of simmering time, say about 10 minutes. And we should be ready to make our tacos. When they're looking a little something like this, it should be good to go. Okay, like an idiot, I didn't actually have the camera running when I was assembling the taco, but basically it's meat, the sauce we made, cheese, little lettuce, tomatoes, and now I'm just griddling it up on a griddle. I coated it with butter to give it that nice, wonderful, golden, toasty shine. And then give the other side a couple of minutes. And we should be ready for our taco. All right, taco's done, nice and golden brown. There's the pull apart. And that's Chipotle Chicken Tacos. Done.